Hello everyone and welcome back to the Math Behind Bridge Designs, a Parabola in Action, part 2, where I'm doing it a different method to show these different methods. In part 1, for any given x, you were calculating this distance from there, to the top of bridge from above. Here, part 2, it's from the bottom of the bridge to reach the bridge. It's just two different ways of doing it. And here's that same bridge again. I'm treating this as the XY coordinates, where my pen and pencil is. That means this bridge starts at 0, 0. It ends there at 40 and 0, because 40 across. The midpoint up there is 20 across, 20 up. So the point is 20, 20. So I'm going to write this equation. We know the equation is 0, that height is 0, when x is 0 or x is 40. So I wrote in brackets x minus 0 times x minus 40, because those are the value of x which will make this 0, multiplied by some variable a. If we find that a, we've got the equation. And over here, I just simplified x minus 0 is simply x. And I find a point on the parabola, it's this point up there. If x is 20, y is 20, I plug that in to solve for that a. I rewrite the equation, I replace every x with a 20, and I replace that y with a 20. And now we simplify. One way of simplifying, there's lots of ways. I divided each side by 20. That's divided by 20. If these are being multiplied, I divide by 20. This bracket simply disappears. It's 20 times smaller. That's where from there to there. And 20 minus 40 is minus 20. So 1 equals a times minus 20. We divide each side by minus 20, and a equals minus 1 over 20. And that's the formula. Y equals minus 1 over 20 times x minus 40. And to simplify a bit, I switch this around. This makes this bracket negative, and I change that minus to a plus, and the two negatives cancel out as positive. And obviously, it's for all x's between 0 and 40. That's the answer. And just to check it, let's say if x equals 10, that's our formula. And I plug 10 in for that x over there. And we just keep simplifying. And at the end of the arithmetic, we will end up with 15. So if we go 10 across, we go 15 units up. That's the answer to the question. And that's the actual final equation to answer this question. Thanks for watching.